Hi there. My name is Adam Funk, and I'm an attorney in Houston, Texas, who specializes in birth injury lawsuits. Today, I want to talk to you about early signs of HIE and why they are important for you as a parent. First and foremost, let's talk about what is HIE. HIE is hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy. That is when not enough oxygen reaches the baby's brain, usually during labor and delivery, and can cause death of brain tissue or brain damage. It's very important as a parent to make sure that you follow whether or not your baby has suffered some sort of HIE. The reason that it is important is because early intervention of HIE can mean the world of difference in terms of the care and long term prognosis that your baby has. So, if you believe that some sort of malpractice or birth trauma has occurred right after your baby was born, then you need to look for these signs. First, Apgar scores. Apgar scores are something that a neonatology team will give a baby at 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and sometimes 10 minutes. They review how the baby is breathing, the baby's skin color, the baby's muscle tone, and they determine on a scale how high of a number they give. The higher the number, the better the baby's outlook is. If your baby is at Apgar scores that are 1, 2, 3 even, those are very dangerous low numbers, showing to the neonatology team that something happened during birth. The second sign that you should be looking for are seizures. If your newborn has experienced a seizure right after delivery, that is a telltale sign that HIE might have occurred. Now, seizures are not typically what you see in the movies or on TV that adults have. Newborn seizures can be very sudden and subtle. They are quick. It could be a rapid eye movement. It could be rigidity in the muscles. However, they are extremely important to watch and see no matter what. The third sign of HIE is muscle tone. If your baby has a rigid neck or is floppy in any way, then that could be a telltale sign that oxygen was deprived of your baby's brain. The fourth sign is breathing and feeding issues. If there are any issues in the baby breathing or taking breaths, maybe even gasping for air, or even latching on to the breast or the bottle, that can be a telltale sign that HIE has occurred. Finally, one of the earliest signs is also organ dysfunction. Even though the brain gets damaged, it is very possible for other organs to also begin to fail. That is a sign that HIE actually happened. If you need to talk to somebody about whether or not birth trauma and malpractice occurred during the labor and delivery of your newborn, please give me a call. My name is Adam Funk, and I handle HIE cases.